As consumer demands rise, there's enormous pressure to move orders and materials quickly. Facilities everywhere are trying to keep up, but they are reaching their limits. With new SKUs to carry, ever-changing demand, and labor shortages, people moving materials around manually is costly and inefficient. Zebra's robotics automation solutions are revolutionizing manufacturing, warehouses, and distribution centers across the supply chain, improving their efficiency and increasing productivity rates by automating the movement of materials throughout facilities, including receiving, put-away, delivery, transport, picking and removing of materials, freeing up workers by reducing the time they spend walking so they can focus on higher-value work. Getting started with Zebra mobile robots is as fast as it is easy. Thanks to cloud-based software, our robots can start working in days, not weeks, with no need for new IT infrastructure or modifications to your facility. Once they are up and running, you can quickly retask robots to new workflows in a browser-based drag-and-drop interface. We also offer robots as a service, giving you access to the latest technology at a lower cost of entry, along with the flexibility to scale as your business needs evolve. Gain a competitive edge with autonomous mobile robots from Zebra.